What's popping? I'm motherfucking
First
back.
things first, we're gonna spray my face with the Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist and prep my skin with the, I don't know how to say it, but y'all saw it. And then I'm going to blur and mattify my oily spots with my one size primer. And then I'm going in with my NARS mattifying foundation. And I'm just blending it out. Now I'm putting my NARS concealer under my eyes. And then I'm going to let it sit for like 2 minutes. Just because I like how tacky it gets. And when I blend it out, the sponge picks up less product. So I think that looks really bomb. I'm a full coverage girl. I like my face to look like real flawless, but I love for my face to also look realistic as well. I don't like looking like a drag. Okay? Period. So when highlighting and contouring my face, I like to go under my eyes, above my lip, on my chin, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. These spots for me are the places that I love to bring, brightness to. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And y'all remember to let it sit for 2 minutes. Now I'm blending it out real good. We don't want no harsh lines, y'all. No harsh lines. We don't do that around here. So when blending out my under eye, I like to work on both sides at the same time, just so that under my eyes are even. I don't want the sponge to pick up too much product off on one side. So I just like to keep it even, y'all. So keep that in mind when y'all beating your face. Now I'm going in with my kevynaucoin concealer. I love this concealer. I'm only putting it in the inner parts of my eye. And of course, I'm brightening everywhere else because I just love the brightening effect. But I'm just doing it a little bit on those other parts of my face. But underneath my eye, when blending it out, I like to focus it right in the inner part of my tear duct area and on the sides of my nose. That's why I like to focus it. And when blending that out, I will go outward just so everything is just seamless. Because we don't do harsh lines around here, okay? We like everything to be seamless and flawless as possible. Remember, ladies, always blend underneath your eyes at the same time. As I'm blending, I'm kind of going outward so there's no harsh lines. I love everything to be seamless. And whatever excess product I have, I just put it in some areas that I feel like need a little bit more coverage because I don't like to waste my product in its own period. Now I'm about to snatch my cheekbones. Can't forget about my nose, y'all. Cannot forget about the nose. I gotta snatch the nose. This is my favorite part, y'all. Y'all, so when I'm beating my face, I like to smile. Smiling gives me a guide to where I need to place my contour. My cheekbones do not sit up high, but they're definitely there. So, I just gotta do a little key to find where they really at, because I don't want to place my contour too low. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush just to blend out any harsh lines so that everything is seamless between the concealer and the contouring. Now going in with my sponge, I'm going to be blending out those harsh edges so everything could be seamless, just like what I did with my foundation brush. That's what I'm doing with my sponge. Going in with my lauramercier and my one size powder mixed. That will be in the description box. I'm setting my smile lines first, and I'm going to be baking my smile lines. Before I set my under eye, I like to go in with my sponge one more time, just because I don't want to set any creasing. Okay, I'm taking this powder puff that I got off of Amazon. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. I really do. I'm still testing it out, y'all. But I don't know. I think I like my damp beauty sponge better. And now I'm setting the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Because y'all know whatever liquid we apply or creams we apply, we gotta set it because we do not want it to move. We need it to be set all day. Okay? Going back in with my foundation brush. As y'all can see, that foundation brush is key to the whole process. I'm just pressing everything in, making sure everything is blended and seamless, because like I said, y'all, we do not want any harsh lines. Okay? Period. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. That's the key. Now I'm going in with my thick mint Fenty bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's perfect. Like Rihanna snapped when she made this product. I love it. Okay, stop playing. Get the forehead, because we gotta bronze up the forehead. Now I'm going in with this Morphe bronzer. The name will be coming soon. I feel like it's the perfect nose contour. Like, it's not too dark and it's not too light, and it gives me like this soft snatch nose. Like, my nose is snatched. Now, this is where the real snatching begins, okay? Now it's time to contour, baby. It's time to bring definition into the face, okay? All right, we're going on our jaw lines, our cheekbones. I do not put this on my nose because I do not like a harsh nose contour. I just feel like it is not flattering for me. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And after that, we're gonna be reverse contouring, cleaning the contour up a little bit, making sure you're extra snatched. So that's what we're doing. And the way I like to blend it out is just patting it into my skin, and also setting my foundation at the same time. You know what I'm saying? And it's on period. I would never get tired of saying period. Like, I don't care when it goes out of style. I don't care if it's out of style. Like, I'm going to always say it because I've been saying it, and that's on. Period. All right? And blend. And blend. And that's on period, too. Now I'm going in with my MAC foundation powder, just to lock in my foundation a little bit more and to marry all the products together. Also, this powder gives this blurring and airbrush effect that I just love so much, y'all. Y'all gotta get your hands on it. Taking my good old Juvias Duo blush. I love this blush. I use both colors in the palette. And I'm now setting my face, melting all those powders down with my Morphe setting mist. Oh my God, I love this setting mist. Oh my God, this holy grail. If you're not using this in your kits, I don't know what else to tell you. Okay? I don't know what else to tell you. Like, and if you're not drowning your face, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm just aligning my lips now. This lip liner is from Ellie Girl. I do not know the name of it off the top of my head, but I will leave it in the description box. Everything will be in the description box, period. So I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm taking my ColourPop Limbo lipstick, and I'm just gonna be patting it in. And eventually, y'all, I didn't like the way the lip liner and the lipstick look just on its own, so I ended up taking some of the product off of my lips in the center and putting on a nude liquid lipstick in the center, patting it in, and then putting on some lip plumper and another ColourPop lip gloss that I will have in the description box for you ladies. Okay? Period. Now I'm taking my Absolute New York Slim Brow Pencil in the color Smoke. I'm first outlining my brows, and as I fill in my brows, I like to do hair-like strokes, just because it looks more realistic. Now I'm taking my Born This Way concealer. I like to take a lighter shade between the arch and tail of my brow when concealing it, and then towards the front of my brow, I like to use something that's a little bit closer to my skin complexion. It gives a gradient effect, and it's more appealing to the eye, in my opinion. Now I'm just patting in the concealer, making sure everything is nice and blended, nice and smooth. And then we're about to go in and prep the eyes for this brown smoky eye that we're about to do. Period. We're just peppering the eyes with a little bit concealer, nothing crazy, nothing special. It's a brown smoky eye, so you don't have to take extra steps. Now I'm going in with this orangey brownish shade as my first transition color. It's going to give me like this bronzy, sexy effect when I do this brown smoky eye. And it also gives you that Jada look. Now I'm going in with my bronzer that I use to contour my nose. And now we're gonna make it extra brown because it was looking too orange, you know. And that brown is giving it like the effect that I was going for from my transition shade. So that is what we got going on here. Also with brown smoky eyes, y'all, I do not care how sloppy I do the eyeshadow because it's a fucking smoky eye. Like, it's meant to give you, it's not meant to be super perfect. So now I'm going in with a darker transition shade to give the eyeshadow a little bit of definition, a little bit of boom, boom. And I'm finally going in with my lid color. This is the brown shade out of the One Size eyeshadow palette. I believe he only have one. Yeah, I think he only have one. So yeah, that is what I am doing, and that is it for the eyes. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the NYX brow glue to keep them brows hairs in place, period. Now I'm doing me a wing. Typically most people don't do wings with brown smoky eyes, but for me, I like the way that it enhances my eyes. So I am using the MILANI mattifying liquid liner, and it's matte, y'all, real matte. Now I'm just taking a random eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store. Usually I would use the Absolute New York gel eyeliner. That eyeliner is black as hell, but I could not find it today, so this is what I'm working with. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and smoking my lash line out. After I do the black, I'm adding a little bit of brown just so everything is nice and gradient. Now I'm wiping away that powder from under my eyes. So I forgot to mention to y'all, the reason why I do this is so that the powder can catch the eyeshadow. And it's like it was never there if it does fall on your face. And also I just love how flawless my under eye look after I take that step. It makes a big difference in my opinion. And now I'm just taking my Dior highlighter and putting it on my nose and my cheekbones. Thanks for tuning in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something.
Let me know what y'all want to see next. I almost didn't film this video, so I'm happy that I did it. Yeah, so love y'all.